Bringing your own images into Canva is not just easy, it's personal, and it only takes a few heartfelt steps to make your design truly yours. First, take a moment to log into your Canva account. Whether you're starting fresh or picking up a project you've already poured your heart into, this is where the magic begins. Look to the left-hand sidebar and click on the Uploads tab. This is your creative doorway. Want to keep everything neat and tidy? You can even create a special folder under the Project section, your own little corner of order before the inspiration flows. Now, click Upload Files and choose those special images from your computer, the ones that mean something to you, the ones that tell your story. Or, if it feels right, just drag and drop them in. Let your instincts guide you, whether it's into the Uploads panel or directly onto your design. It's all about what feels natural. As the upload completes, your image appears like a little spark of possibility in the Upload section. Just click and drag it onto your canvas. And there it is, your image, your moment, a piece of you, now part of your design. You can even upload multiple images at once, and they'll all be saved safely in your Uploads library, ready for the next time creativity calls. Canva supports JPG, PNG, and even GIF formats because your expression deserves flexibility. So go ahead, upload your story, one image at a time.